Nalalapagan, lalandingan ng Onyx Soul dito. Ginamit na yung Spear of Alpha pero natalonan ni Tal. Yung Alpha mukhang mali ata yung ginawa nila pero sa may patang likuran. Patay din naman yung Nolan. And then Roger, another one from Jewel. Pero nandito na yung Roger. Kinakalmot na yung Onyx Soul. And Rain dito. Triple kill para. Naku po, nakita ni Tal si Bene. Nakita ni Tal si Bene. That's the jungler of Onyx Soul. Lilipad ba si Tal? Kakabit na yung Violent Equip. Ibuburst ba yung Lord? Sino makakuha? Implosion na naman mula kay Jewel. Palit nila yun pero Vexana. The Fire is able to take the Lord from Onyx Soul. And monster kill para kay Roger. Isa-isa na tumutumba. Yung members dito ng Onyx Soul. And again, that's it. That is it. 3, 4 members down for Onyx Soul. Immortality's been popped. Apat na nga tumumba sa kanila. Rain na lang yung matitira. And Falcons Vega has been able to close it out. Onyx Soul, they tried their best, but it is gonna be an Endo finals as Falcons Vega march towards the grand finals of SPS Season 5 Women's Division.